Hello all. In this video we are going to discuss the comparison between the Odoo versus Sugar CRM. Odoo, we know that it's one of the most supervisingly functioning ERP software solution that are utilized by every organization. It is an open source modular structured software which has a strong technical foundations along with its robust functionality. And with Odoo apps, we can say they are perfectly integrated with each other, allowing you to fully automate your business process and reap the savings and benefits. With Odoo, we know it provides an integrated modular structure and is available in two editions, that is its Odoo Community Edition as well as the Enterprise Edition. Odoo Community is an open source that is available free of cost, however with the limited features, whereas the Odoo Enterprise is Odoo Community along with its additional functional apps which are obviously paid. Sugar CRM is a web-based CRM application that is available in open source or in a commercial version. Its modern interface helps both the employees as well as the customer to better engage and also include a mobile application. Sugar CRM is divided into four editions, that is its community, professional, enterprise and ultimate. The solution is available on both online as well as on-premise with the possibility of customization of both the versions. Now let's have a look into the comparison. So here you can see the certain comparison that is based on certain modules, or you can say certain managements like customer relationship management, sales management, marketing, reporting, productivity and usability, user interface, pricing and conditions. So here you can see. So first one is this customer relationship management. So here you can see the certain features that relates to lead management, that is lead management, lead scoring, deduplication, sale codes and all. Here you can see the basic comparison that is done between them. And next, regarding the sales management, also you can see similar comparison, the features that we are having in Sugar CRM and that we are not having in Odoo and all. So here you can see certain features under sales management we can say, then under marketing, reporting also, then productivity and usability, user interface, pricings and conditions and market trends. Now let's have a look on its in detail. So in this video basically we are going to look regarding the Odoo CRM as well as the Sugar CRM. So basically this video will deal the comparison between the CRM used in both Odoo as well as the Sugar CRM. So this is the Enterprise Edition of our Odoo. So let's move on to our module called as CRM. So as we know that CRM is a software that enables you to have a good relationship with your customer. That is, it will helps in enhancing the relationship with your existing customer and also helps in finding the new potential customers to your company. As we know that customers are the final asset of our company. So in order to have a potential customers, obviously the module CRM is important. So when you open the CRM module of Odoo, here you can see the pipeline of the CRM in which you can see the certain opportunities mentioned. So before moving on to that, with CRM we have the two terms that is commonly used with the customer relationship management is regarding the lead as well as opportunity. So obviously we know that lead can be a person or any organization which has an interest in what you are selling, and obviously leads are used as a qualifying step before creating into an opportunity. So this is the two main terms that we are most commonly listening in case of CRMs. Then here you can see the pipeline of the CRM. So in the pipeline itself, so it will basically provide or use to identify the stages that are required in order to complete the deal and what actions are needed to be taken at each stages. So here you can see the stages like new, qualified, propositions, one stages. So basically it provides an organized view of all the opportunities, and here the opportunities are shown in the card form. Now let's see into the user interface of Sugar CRM. So this one is the user interface of Sugar CRM, where you can see certain options, that is accounts, contacts, opportunities, lead, forecast, calendar, reports, codes, documents, and also certain options over here also. So here you have certain other features also over here. So first of all, at the interface of Sugar CRM, here you can see the option to create the account. So from here you will have the option to create the account. So here you can provide the required name, and here you have the option called business card, under which you have certain fields to mention, that is website, the member of, business center name, assigned to, tag, industry type, service level, office phone, and some other details when you scroll down, like billing address, shipping address, email address, campaign, and other details also over here, as you can see. So if you are coming here, next we can see regarding the leads. So basically, as I told, lead can be anything, that it can be a person, an organization, or even a business card. So we can see all of them as lead. So basically when you open this lead, here you have these two options, that is the tile view as well as we have this list view. So here, yeah, you can see we have this tile view as well as the list view. So the tile view will give you the view like this, where you can see the corresponding status of the leads, that is new, assigned, in process, converted, recycled, and dead. And here you have the list view also. So whereas when you come in case of Odoo, here you have the options to view the leads. So here you have this option, so we can just click on this. So when you open this itself, here you can see you have different options, that is you have this list view, you also have this Kanban view, you also have this calendar view also, and you also have the pivot view and the graph view also. And from here you can see or view all the activities also. So these are the views that we are seeing in case of Odoo CRM, whereas in Sugar CRM we only had the two views, that is the tile view as well as the list view. So let's see how we can create the lead in case of Sugar CRM. So here you have the option to create the leads. So before moving on to that, we also have an option called as filter over here. So here you have the option to create also view all the leads. You can also see my favorite, my leads, recently created as well as recently viewed leads. Whereas when you come to Odoo, you have certain features or a wide varieties of feature, or we can say the filters added, that is to see my activities as well as the unassigned leads or the lost leads can also be seen. Creation date, on the basis of creation date and closing date also we can filter out our lead. Then based upon late activities, today activities, future, archived, and you can also add your custom filters over here. So here when you add custom filters, obviously you will have yet another certain features or the options to provide over here. Then we also have this group by, that is in order to group by our lead based upon the salesperson, sales team, city, country, company, campaign, medium, source. here you can also add a custom group also. So in case of filters and group by also, we have the wide varieties of options in order to filter out your lead as well as group by your leads in Odoo CRM. And here you can see in case Sugar CRM you have these, that is leads, favorite, recently created as well as recently viewed. Now let's create a new lead. So let's click on the option called as create. So when you click on this, you can see a pop-up or a page comes, so where you have the option to provide the first name and last name. So let's create one. So here we have created a person called James. So here you can mention the title, you can mention the website, mobile, and the email address also. And when you scroll down, obviously you have certain features to provide, that is primary address, alternate address, campaign also you have the option to select. So from here you can select the campaign also. Then we also have the options called status. So basically this status we have seen when we have created when we have looked into its tile view, we had seen that this status were shown over here, there. Then the lead source also, that is here you have the different lead source through which you came to know about this so and so organizations. So here assigned to, that is similar to the case of salesperson we are saying in case of Odoo, then date created and all. And when you come down, you also have further informations to create. So let's click on the save button over here. So you can see automatically a pop-up comes that that the lead is created. So here you can see a lead is created and its status is new. And suppose here you can see in the tile view you have this option, and basically what you can do is that in order to move to the next state, you can just drag and drop from here itself. So you have this option in Sugar CRM. So when you open this, or you can move this to different stages itself. So automatically when you move this, it shows that it is successfully saved. So here you can see right now my lead that I have created on the basis of the name called James, it's in the process state. Now if you are going into Odoo CRM, you can create the leads from here, option you have called leads. So you can click on that. Here you can mention your lead, you can provide the name. Suppose I am saying and here I can also mention the probability. Similarly, here I have certain options to mention the company name, contact name, email, job position, addresses, website, language, also the salesperson, and also the option to provide the sales team over here. And similarly, here we can also prioritize our lead. So basically in Sugar CRM we didn't had this option, we have not seen this option to prioritize, whereas in case of Odoo we have the option to prioritize our lead on the basis of high, low, very high. Then also can provide the tag, you can provide certain kind of description also. And here you can, in the extra info, you can mention the company, campaign. Here you can mention the medium also and different source and assign date as well as the closing date. So once you save this, automatically you can see an option comes to either to convert it to opportunity or not, as well as to mark as lost. So if we, due to some reasons, if we mark this or if we can't perform this lead, we can obviously mark it as lost. For that purpose, we are having this option over here. Whereas in case of Sugar CRM, we have seen that when we just create it, we just a pop-ups come, that is, it is saved. So when you open that itself, you don't have any other options. You can see over there to convert that. So here you can see this one is something that I have created, and still it is in the unconverted stage. Here you can see, and when you come down here, you can see certain activities over here. So right now you can see it is in the unconverted state. So when you click on that itself, you can see contact is created, and they will ask to create an account also for that. So when you click on this, so suppose if I'm creating an account called James, similarly other details also, here you can see other details that I need to provide on. So suppose if I am saving this, so I have saved this, and automatically here you can see you will get this option to create opportunity. So from here what you can do is that you can convert it to opportunity. So in case of Odoo, obviously the view or the interface we can see completely differs. So here while creating itself, we can see the button over here, whereas in case of here you will get a tag like that, that is unconverted, and upon clicking on that only we will get this view over this. So here you can provide your opportunity name. So suppose here also if I am saying that 2000 office chairs. So here you can see the status is new. Here you option under account name, that is likely best. So here you cannot enter the datas over here. So obviously you can see here you don't have the access to provide that. And also have the show more option, where it will show that is whom it is assigned to, as well as the team also. So here you can see the team, date created as well as date modified. So just save and convert this, then we can save it and convert. So here you can see now it is the status of the lead, or where you can see the tag is converted. So earlier here you can see that the tag was unconverted, and upon clicking that only I would able to see the page where I needed to provide the account as well as the opportunity details. Whereas in this case, or in case of Odoo, here you can see you can directly click on this to convert it to opportunity. So when you click on convert it to opportunity itself, it will ask, or it will provide a pop-up, that is to convert into new opportunity, or to merge it with the existing opportunity, and also the salesperson, sales teams, and regarding the customers also, that is on the preference of ours, we have this option, that is to create a new customer or link it with an existing customer. So obviously if you are merging with the existing opportunity, we can link it to the existing customer, or if you don't want to convert them to customer, you can also use the option called as don't link it to customer. Whereas in case of Sugar CRM, you can see we didn't had this options to provide, whereas when you come to Odoo, you also have a brief detailed options to while converting into the opportunity. So suppose if I am converting this to opportunity, automatically you can see it in the pipeline of our Odoo CRM. So here you can see when I have converted into opportunity, some additional buttons also came, that is to add new quotation, new renter, mark it as won or lost. And here you can see the expected revenue calculations, and here monthly basis, yearly basis and all, and also the probability. So here you can provide the expected revenue, expected closing date also, can mark the priority, can also schedule the meeting from here also. So this is what happens when you convert the lead into opportunity in case of Odoo CRM. Let's create the opportunity from here. So in case of opportunity, you have the option to provide the opportunity name. So obviously we have created, as we have seen that we have created them. In case of means from the lead itself, from Sugar CRM we have created that, but I think it was not created, otherwise it should have shown in case in opportunity itself. So here you can mention the account name, and as I told or as I mentioned earlier, you will not have the access to provide the details over here. Here you can provide that is here you can mention that is different stages you can say, and here you can mention the probability, but this one is not provided, and expected closing date also you can do that. So suppose if I am providing it as test, and let's save this option over here. So here you can see obviously the expected closing date is needed, that's why it's showing. Okay, so now let's save this. So here you need to mention the amount also. So required suppose 10. Let's save this. Yeah, now we can save over this. So here you can see that the opportunity of 500 office chair is being created on the name called James. So earlier, now you can see it is right now in the progress state. So here you can see that is, if you are taking the tile view, you can see it is in the prospecting stage. So here you have for opportunity different stages, like by time also, as well as by different stages: qualification, need analysis, value propositions. So similarly in case of Odoo itself, so if you are going if you're going into my pipeline options, so in the pipeline you would able to see all the opportunities over here. So similarly in case of Sugar CRM, as you can see different stages, also in Odoo CRM also we have different stages, and you can also create the new stages from here itself. So you can just add new stages, or if you are looking into the settings of the stages itself, you can see certain features that you can provide. You can provide the name over here, you can mention whether it is a one stage or not, or whether you want to fold this in the pipeline or not, and can also measure, or you can also provide the sales team can also mention the requirements over here. So yeah, with Odoo CRM also you can create this stages, different stages over here, and for that also you have different options to see over here. So right now you can see it is in Sugar CRM, the corresponding this one is in the prospecting stage. Here you can assign the activities. So yeah, on clicking upon that, if you want to call or have an option to call, you can schedule it from here, where it has the subject status, that is scheduled, held, cancelled, and the dates, as well as related to opportunities or task or something like that, and also the guest assigned and all. So here you can see it's a bit complicated over the view itself, but whereas in case of Odoo, if you are seeing, you have the option to assign the meetings from here, or you also have the option to schedule the activities from here. That is, once you click over here, you can schedule the activities from the here, and in Odoo itself you have the option to create different set of activities as per your need also. So in case of Odoo, you can just assign the activities from here. So here obviously you will get an option to select the activities type that you are creating, or you can select this and can also mention the due date and assign to person, also mention the summary, means for which purpose you are assigning this activity, and here you can also mention certain descriptions if you want, and you can schedule it also, and you can mark it as done, and you can also schedule the next one also from here itself. So you have the option to schedule the activities from here, and if you want to have the meetings, you can schedule it from here. And you also have this provisions for assigning this activity from the pipeline itself. So here you have this clock type symbol, so from here also you can just schedule the activity. So it is very useful in case of Odoo, that is from the overview itself or in the pipeline itself we can schedule all these activities. So it is really very comfortable in that case. Whereas if you are seeing in case of Sugar CRM, we can say that for every opportunities and lead, when you scroll below you will have this option, that is to create. Here you have the actions, and to create, if you want on your basis you can do that. And here you have the options meeting, task, notes and all, then codes, contacts and all. So this is something you can see over here. So here you can see in case of Odoo it is very simple. You can mark it as new quotation or you can mark it as want. So once you mark it as want, automatically it will move into the stage of the want stage. And similarly you can move this at different pipeline also, or you can just drag and drop also. You have this options, and automatically you can see that when I have moved the stage inside the opportunity itself, it is moved into the stage called want. So if you also provided the revenue, the corresponding changes would be shown over here. Then while scheduling the activity itself, you can see that here it represents different colors. So if it is red, it sends it is overdue. Then if you have planned activities, the color of the clock will be shown in green, and if it is for today, it will obviously shown in yellow color. So that like that view, or we can say on the basis of color, we can provide a easy interface or it can easily convince to your users. So for that purpose and all, we have these options in case of Odoo CRM. Whereas in case of Sugar CRM, you have to assign this over here. You can provide the note and all from the here. So this is regarding the opportunity and lead in case of Sugar CRM. Whereas in case of Odoo CRM itself, for lead itself, here you have the option to generate the lead. So here on the basis of certain criterias you can generate the lead. Means for every company it is always necessary to have the potential leads or the high quality leads. So for that purpose we are having these options. Then in the settings and the configurations, or we can say the settings of the CRM itself, we have different options, the way by which we can generate the leads or we can get the lead. That is, we have certain options such as the visit to lead rule, then we have the lead enrichment option, lead mining option. So these are basically some of the way by which we are getting the leads in our Odoo. So here you can see by incoming mail also. So above you have the option called as incoming mail. So those who contact us through this mail, automatically it will be generated as a lead in our Odoo CRM. Similarly, the visit to lead rule, lead enrichment, lead mining and all, and obviously Outlook CRM extension also. So with visit to lead, obviously we can convert our website visitors into lead. So for that purpose we are using this visit to lead option. Then we have the lead enrichment option. So with this option you can enrich your lead automatically with company data which is based upon their email address and all. Then we have this lead mining. So basically with this option it allows you to generate the lead directly from your database, and with this option also you can target the lead based upon certain set of criteria such as the country size or the industry size and all. So you also have certain options also. Then you have the Outlook CRM extension. So with this option it turns the email received in your Outlook mailbox into the lead and log their content as internal note. So these are the some of the features in case of Odoo CRM by which we can create or we can generate the lead in case of Odoo. Then with Sugar CRM, the next thing we can see is regarding the contact. Then with the contact, let's see how the contact is there in Odoo. So in contact itself, so here in the contact, similarly you have the two views, or here you have the list view only in case of contact. So from here you can create the new contact. So similarly for contact also you can see the same options to provide, that is here you can see the contact of your Odoo CRM. Similarly in case of contact also we have different views. Also we have the list view, also the map view also is provided for the contact in Odoo CRM, sorry, the Odoo contact. Then we also have the filters also based upon individual companies and all, then group by options also. Then we also have the options to save this to our favorites. So in case of Odoo, let's see what are the details. So this is the contact page in Odoo, whereas we can see in Sugar CRM this is the contact page where you have the business card, options to provide their first name, last name, other details, then addresses, Twitter account, report to lead score, similarly lead source, then under hint education, company size, industry size and all. Whereas here you, when you come, you have the details to provide, similarly company address, phone numbers and all, and also the other details like its contact and other addresses. So here itself you have further differences, or we have the wide varieties of options to provide contact, invoice addresses, delivery addresses, private addresses and all. Then also have certain fields, or we can say the tabs for mentioning the sales and purchase, accounting, internal notes and all. So with this Sugar CRM you can just create the contact over here, and with this itself we have only the list view. With this, here you can see the preview also of that. So here you can see the dashboard of the contact over here. So from here you can see the more accounts also. So from here you have the option to create the account. Then in this case, then we have regarding the calendars. So let's have a look on the calendar view of Sugar CRM as well as the Odoo CRM. So in case of Sugar CRM, here you can see the calendar view, that is day, week, month, year as well as shared basis. Also have the settings option over here. Here you have the option to add. So for that you just have to click on this. You have to just click on this. When you click on that, automatically there the options will come to add the subject, timing, description, meeting type also, then other details as mentioned. So here you can see on the basis of days, month, year, week, shared also. We have certain features over here. Then in the settings also we have these options to mention the start time, end time, show call, show task and all. And when you come into this Odoo calendar view, here you can see both the list as well as the calendar view, and here also you have wide varieties of filters on which you can do that. And here similarly, here you can see the calendar view and the responsible attendees. So here you can just click like this, and obviously here options will come to provide the summary. So here you can just do create it. So when you do that, automatically here this option will come. So here also we have the option, that is day wise, week, month and year wise, and also the option to filter as well as to add it to favorite. So in the filter also option has my meeting, online appointments, dates and all. So these are the, and other also online appointments reporting also we have, that is viewing all the online appointment. For that also we have the options under reporting. Then here you can see the options for reports, that is to create reports, view reports, report schedules and all. So in this case you can see, but in case of Odoo CRM or Odoo features, we can see for each and every module we have a brief reporting section itself. So let's have a look on that. So in every module we have a detailed reporting. So in case of CRM itself, you can see the reportings are on the basis of the leads, pipeline as well as activities. We are having this option to provide the lead. Whereas in case of Sugar CRM, you will have the option to create custom summation report with details. Here you can see this details are coming while showing the report sections over here. So if I am using the option called as view report, so here you can see, so since here no dashboard is created, so here you have the options to add the dashboard and all. So basically this is showing as the reports for Sugar CRM. So here you can see, let me open one of them. So this is what you are seeing as the report for Sugar CRM, where you have the name, module, display, other details like that. Whereas in case of Odoo, you can see its reporting sections. Here you have the dashboard view, pivot view, graph view, list view and all, and here you have the different measures you can do. And you can also from here also, you from this option, that is insert in spreadsheet, so from this option itself you can insert it to the spreadsheet also. So from this view you will get, or your user will get, a clear insight of everything, activities that is happening within your company, and based upon different persons, based upon sales teams and all, will get an overview. So in this itself you will have different options, different measures, different group by options. So there is a wide variety of options on which you can customize your report, or you can view your report. And similarly with the case of filters, and you can also add them to the favorites and all. So here in case of Sugar CRM, you can see this reporting section, how it goes like this. So yeah, so if you are seeing the case of Sugar CRM as well as the Odoo CRM, we have seen certain features, or we can see the basic comparison in the user interface and all. So these are the we can say these are the little comparison that we have done on Sugar CRM as well as the Odoo CRM. So similarly we have certain other comparison that is done for the sales, that is regarding quotations, its price list and quotation template. You can see we have these features called quotations in both Sugar CRM as well as Odoo, but the features like e-signature, online payment, multiple unit of measures, we don't have in Sugar CRM, but we have that in Odoo. And similarly you can scroll down and you can see other details like subscription management. We are not supporting, or we don't have that feature in Sugar CRM, whereas we have that in Odoo. And similarly in the marketing section also you can see regarding the lead nourishing options, that is event, survey, blogs, we have these options under Odoo, whereas we don't have in case of Sugar CRM. We can see this comparison from this table itself. So if you are seeing in case of integration also, means Sugar CRM integrates with the certain following, means business systems that are applicable like HubSpot as well as Cloud Agent, Campaign Monitor and all. And whereas in case of Odoo also, so Odoo along with Odoo Studio, it provides the developers to create custom applications for specific business requirement and all. And it's basically, we can say it is an open source model, means we can say the third party developers can create their own apps and offer them to other Odoo users also. So with Odoo we can integrate the third party app systems, like we can use the WooCommerce, or we can connect the various programs such as WooCommerce, Magneto, Office 365, like that. So there are currently, we can say there are currently more than 23,000 apps in the community library itself that deals with the Odoo, in case of Odoo itself. Then regarding the reporting comparison, you can see the comparison that is done. Then coming to productivity and its usability also, you can see the comparison that is done. Then regarding the user interface, then comes regarding the rating comparison and user satisfaction. Then as shown, the user interface of Sugar CRM as well as the user interface of Odoo. And here comes the pricing condition in case of Odoo as well as the Sugar CRM. So the Sugar CRM offers basically 3 payment plans, that is including enterprise pricing and ultimate plan for large businesses. And note that all the plans require annual subscription. So for Sugar CRM is what I am saying. Then here you can see in case of Odoo CRM also. Then here you have the marketing time. So basically this is the comparison between the Odoo CRM as well as the Sugar CRM. So this is the final comparison, that is Odoo versus Sugar CRM. Thank you for watching this video. If you are interested in knowing more about this or looking for any Odoo implementation or customization in your business, just drop your request to odoo@cybrosys.com.